So the first thing that is important post-COVID or during this long COVID situation would be the balanced diet. So the macronutrients is very important, like let's say protein, our carbohydrates and our fiber, because some of them will say there is a symptom of constipation. So fiber is important for us to bulk up the stool, for us to have a much more gut movement. And then for protein, it's important for us to restore the muscles, and then for our immune system also. And for our carbohydrates, the most important thing is to provide us energy. So it's a good source of energy for our body. And then it's better for us to take complex carbohydrate, like let's say our rice, our noodles, just to have a slow release of energy and allow us to stay full or have a good energy for our body throughout the day. That's the macronutrients. So in terms of protein, there will be two types of protein: animal protein or the plant protein. It depends on the person itself. If let's say the person is on vegetarian, so they still can get protein food in terms of tofu, dal, soya beans, and then if the normal protein food would be like chicken, fish, and then sardine, milk, and yeah, so that is the protein rich food lah. So other than macronutrients, there's also antioxidant, like just now what Dr. No said. There's a lot of maybe there's a lot of medication throughout along the journey. So antioxidant like our vitamin C, vitamin D, selenium is very important for the recovering process, to reduce the effect after the medication and during the process lah. So the vitamin C food is something like the easily that we can obtain is like guava. Guava. Yes, high in vitamin C. And then vegetable like kailan or broccoli. And for vitamin D, the easiest way is through sunlight, or we can go for any of our fishes, even milk also can. And then for selenium would be like our yogurt. Other than that would be like our banana, baked beans. They are also full with selenium. So these are the food that we can get through our diet to have a more balanced and healthy lifestyle.
Is this so that I take it it's basically a general guide that applies to all?
Yes, correct.
So does that apply to post-COVID recovering patients as well?
Yes.
And is there a specific diet plan that COVID patients have to follow for better recovery?
Okay. This diet is generally for all, but we don't have a specific that is one size fit all. So it's better to come and seek for advice, and then we will treat based on the symptom. If let's say the person is not eating well, they are having sore throat, so we will advise them to go for soft diet or oral nutrition supplement. And if the person is experiencing constipation, so we will advise them to go for a diet which is higher in fiber, or the diet which is better in complex carbohydrate or whole meals to increase their fiber.
Wayland's Nutrition, the nutrition brand preferred by healthcare professionals.